All right, Greg, we followed this for almost 3 years now, since the October 2021 shooting during the filming of the movie Rust. We're glad you're here to kind of help us understand really what happened here with the sudden conclusion, and that's not even a general explanation of what happened. I mean, it was sudden conclusion to this trial. So kind of walk us through what happened in the trial, the case against Alec Baldwin here.
Well, State versus Alec Baldwin has been a legal roller coaster, and if it was a movie, it would have been a thriller. Initially, we had the shooting on the set of the Rust movie inadvertently, thought the gun wasn't loaded. Then a decision made not to charge Alec Baldwin with voluntary manslaughter. Baldwin made a bad decision. He gave an interview, said he never pulled the trigger. Prosecutors hired experts and said, not so quick, we think you did. He's charged. The armorer, who was the one that was supposed to determine if the gun was loaded, was convicted a few months earlier. But she hired a private investigator who a couple of years later found some live rounds on the set and just dropped it by the sheriff's department and said, here's some evidence that's been found in the case. Prosecutors overlook it. In the middle of the Baldwin trial, defense keys in on that and say, this is evidence that should have been provided. It could be helpful, it could be exculpating, and they filed a motion to dismiss, and the wheels came off the case.
And according to the judge, in her ruling, it's done. I mean, we can't come back.
And let's talk about why.
Yeah.
The reason it was dismissed, the judge held that this was an intentional act, prosecutorial misconduct, for not turning over evidence that was exculpating, that means could prove someone's innocence, or helpful. She said that this new evidence could create, quote, scorching prejudice. Though it was so hot and heated in that courtroom, one prosecutor resigned during the motion hearing. The other called herself to the stand to say that the evidence had no evidentiary or probative value. But at the end of the day, the judge ruled because the jury had been impaneled. Now, this is important.
Okay.
Once a jury is impaneled, if there's a finding of manifest necessity and it's dismissed, jeopardy attaches. So that means it's dismissed with prejudice. Alex Baldwin can never be retried for this case. And you talk about irony. The investigator that found the bullets that was the basis for Baldwin's case getting dismissed is now being used by the armorer to have her 18-month sentence overturned.
And that's the new thing with Gutierrez-Reed. Does she have a case there? Can't she get a new trial?
I don't think so, because to get a new trial, she would have to show that that evidence would have changed the result. Baldwin was different. It was basically that prosecutors covered up, didn't do their job, and they did it maliciously and intentionally. But what a day in the courtroom for Alec Baldwin.
As always, thank you, sir.
Good to be here.
Now, if you have a legal question, send it to AskIsaacs@WATE.com. And remember, we talk with Greg every Wednesday at 5:30 right here on 6 on Your Side News.